So this is my demonstration of the sluice gate and the problem that was happening underneath. First of all, we had the rocks on the bottom of the seabed. On top of the rock was a softer top layer. And it was on top of this softer top layer that the foundations of the sluice gate sat. Now, the problem was that the water coming in through the harbour was going underneath the foundations of the sluice gate, and it started washing away and eroding the softer particles of the top layer. And that meant that the foundations of the sluice gate would be destabilised. Berigny's solution to the problem was brilliant. First of all, Berigny drilled a series of holes 5 foot deep through the foundations of the sluice gate down into the soil where it had eroded away. And then, this was the really ingenious bit, he got a piston pump, what he called a blow pump, and he filled that with clay grout. And with a series of hammer blows, he forced the cement down into the soil below. The cement's pouring through the holes, filling up this subsoil below, and making those foundations nice and stable.
As Berigny's clay grout was hammered through the pre-drilled holes, it spread out beneath the masonry foundations, squeezing into and filling the gaps created by the erosion. After a period of time, the grout set hard.
OK, we've left it a while. We're going to see how it's set. Because it's solidified, it just stays in place. And that would have really helped the foundations of the sluice gate.
Berigny's work was a resounding success.
This was the very first example from Charles Berigny of injection grouting, and it's used in civil engineering projects all over the world today. Fantastic.